stage, Maja Bless.
Woo!
Run it up.
Greetings.
Blessed.
I'm here, man. Greetings.
Blessed.
Yes, I. So this is a great initiative. I myself was once a student here. I want to know what the journey is like, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm going to start it like this. The journey. You see, my message is never let your address block your success. If you believe, then you can achieve. Run it. Journey of 1,000 miles begins in one step. Broken child still a smiling, I'm a one prepper. Before you judge, listen my views. Can you take a walk in my shoes?
Can you walk in my shoes? Will you listen to my cry? One day I will reach my dream. Born to
Can you walk in my shoes? Will you listen to my cries? One day I must reach my dreams. Want to fly. Need to get a child, this flower growing wild. People always ask me why I never smile. What to smile about in the tenement yard? Forget a dinner money, me have a geometry and yard. Grew up without mama kisses and hugs. Soul drugs and the dogs to buy myself a logs at nights. There was no place to rest my head. Sometimes I found shelter in a broken down shed. In the overland, I slept on the back of sand. See, I was sinking, no one to hold my hand. Quickly going down, I couldn't turn my life around. Now you see my face, it wears a permanent frown. What am I to do after all I've been through? Can you take a walk in my shoe? What am I to do after all I've been through? Can you take a walk in my shoe? Walk in my shoe.
Will you listen to my cry? One day
I must reach my dreams. Want to fly. 15 years old, I weighed 80 pounds. Malnourished, pure skin and bones. The system was stiff. My mind began to shift. Started to shoplift until I found I had a gift. Found I had a sound to use the microphone. Educate uptown, about downtown. Like many before us, they try to ignore us, but they can never ignore my verses nor my chorus. So I began to rise, hear me vocalize. Wolf in disguise, you just never socialize. The one that victimize, the one that criticize, the one that despise, the one that see my demise. Refuse to hear my cries, told me to stop my knives, but I opened up my eyes, opened up my eyes. Born to fly. Journey of 1,000 miles begins in one step. Broken child still a smiling, I'm a one prepper. Before you judge, listen my views. Can you take a walk in my shoes? Walk in my shoes. Will you listen to my cries? One day I must reach my dreams. Born to fly. Never let your address block your success. The journey of 1,000 miles begins in one step. Yes, sir. So this evening I have a special guest. She's 5 years old. She's my daughter.
Music.
Ngozi, music. Right, send us.
Woo!
She has a special message. This message
Come on.
is fitting for the Child's Month. So now may just pass. And then Ngozi has a special message for you. Ready?
A big man by a mall right. Let's build a slave for Jamaica. No pedophile pervert raper. Let's build a slave for Jamaica. No pedophile pervert raper. So a big man don't lick picnic. Go on with the sweet, you can't trick me. Take your old car and go on where you will go. Pervert, me no wanna drive from you. Pervert, me no wanna drive from you. Cause give to mankind, little children. Stars will shine, don't kill them. You are gonna burn in the hell. You touch your little picnic, me I go tell. Kids don't talk to no stranger. Run and scream in the danger. From the earth children, electric chair. Those who agree, take an in the ear. Those who agree, take an in the ear. So, hey, big man, love the little me. Go on with the sweet, you can't trick me. Take your old car and go on where you will go. Pervert, me no wanna drive from you. Pervert, me no wanna drive from you. Little children, listen to my voice. Don't make nobody, that's not nice. Don't make them hug you too much. Learn about good touch and bad touch. Friends are family members, feminine or masculine genders. Don't make them give you anything. Show your mommy and your daddy what they bring. Don't make them give you anything. Show your mommy and your daddy what they bring. So every man love the little picnic. One with the sweetie, you can't trick me. Take your old car and go on where you will go. Perfect, me no wanna drive from you. Perfect, me no wanna drive from you.
Next shot. Alright, from your love your mother, put your hand in the air.
Up in the air.
It's a poem I wrote from in high school. You know, one of our brothers died by the gun in high school. A bad boy still, you know. And I wrote this poem, it's called Mama. Next shot.
Mama. Mama.
I'm not sorry for God. Please, Mama, no make them hang me tomorrow.
Mama, Mama, I love you. Mama, Mama, I love you.
I remember Mama as if it's yesterday. Do my stuff, Mama, and I went away. Left my baby mother and little Lisa in exchange for a passport and visa. To make it out, Mama, I had to sell drugs. Breaking out, Mama, hanging with the dogs. Mama, me not expect you to understand that your boy, woman, that you kill a man. Mama, mama, me love you still. Mama, mama, even though I'm a kid. Mama, mama, I know so evil God. Please, mama, no make them angry tomorrow. Mama, mama, they lock me in a jail. Mama, mama, them system a fail. Mama, mama, many nights for wheel. More beard, mama. Mama, me steal. Mama, mama, you know get my meal. They make me eat fish, mama, with the scales. They beat my mama, throw me over the rail.
Hey boy!
Me nah empty no feel pain. Mama, mama, me love you still. Mama, mama, even though I'm a kid. Mama, mama, I know so evil God. Please, mama, no make them on me tomorrow from the prison steer, mama. Do you let you cheer, mama? Know that I care, mama. So wipe your tears, mama. Love you all the while. Take care of a child, even though I die, mama. I still will cry, mama, mama, mama. Love you still, mama, mama. Even though I'm a kid, mama, mama. And I saw you for God. Please, mama, don't make them harm me tomorrow.
Mama, I love you. Mama, Mama, I love you.
Yeah, for spell, mama. Of the prison cell, mama. Is this where I dwell, mama? All the time we tell, mama. I hear bells, mama. See angels, mama. All is well, mama. I'm not in hell, mama. We broke the spell, mama. All is well, mama. I broke the spell, mama.
Yeah, careful.
She's crying. Oh my. It's touching.
Maja Bless, ladies and gentlemen.
Woo!
And the little one, Ngozi. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Alright, so guess what? After this performance, we're doing the giveaways, alright? Don't worry about anything. Positivity through music is his mission. From the parish of Clarendon, a former student of Vienna Manley. Put your